guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Dart guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace throttle body. Now that throttle body guys, it's a little bit not as easy to replace as other ones, okay, and we'll explain why. We got the engine out of the car. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the show, plus we'll probably have more than 100 videos on that engine guys. So if you have a Dodge Dart, subscribe guys. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please like the video guys, and by removing the engine, okay, I can show you every little detail where things are located, because otherwise it's impossible for me to stick the camera in a room, okay, about that narrow behind the engine. So now we can show you everything in great detail. Let's start on it now. So this is it guys, right here, the engine 2.4 multi-air. Dodge Dart uses 3 different engines, 1.4, 2.0 and 2.4. We're working on getting the other engines as well. We actually got a 1.4, so videos will come soon. Now, the engine stays in the car, okay, like that. That's how you guys face the engine, this way. And your throttle body is actually on the back side of the engine. So that's why I'm talking, it's a little bit hard to get to. And it is doable to remove it guys, but it's a little bit hard to actually show you with a great detail where things are. That's why with the removed engine I can show you everything now. First step that we need to do, okay, here you have usually the intake filter box. So all you have to do, get that clamp loose. After you do that, you need to remove your cover. Okay, let me explain now this cover guys, okay, where it attaches. Now this cover guys has 4 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these rubber bushings guys, okay, they actually go right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's where they attach. After that guys, okay, I'm going to get a 10mm socket, okay, and we're going to remove this bolt right here. Perfect, this bolt is out. Now, right here you will have one clip guys, okay, one clip like these ones. Ours is broken, okay, ours is broken, so I'll get a clip removal too, okay, and I will show you guys usually how you remove those. Okay, you just go under the clip, okay, under the clip, and you pry it up, but this one is broken. We'll have in the link guys, okay, in the description of the video we'll have the links for the new clips, for a new throttle body if you need to replace yours, all the parts and tools that we use guys, we'll have links as well. Next, right here you can see that clamp, okay, we need to get that thing loose guys with a flathead screwdriver. Okay, check it out now, flathead screwdriver. Let me see if that's enough. Now right here, we're going to go ahead and disconnect our intake temperature sensor. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull that intake pipe out of the way. Okay, just like that now. Next guys, we can get to the throttle body. As you can see, this is your throttle body now right here. So, what do you guys need to do now? Okay, a few things to consider. We need to guys, okay, remove a few extra brackets that hold that throttle body. On most cars you just have 4 bolts and you're ready to remove it. Not on this one. On this one you have quite a few things to do. So I'll explain now what we'll be doing next. Right here guys, okay, I need to get a flathead screwdriver, that red pin. Okay, you need to pull it back. Now you can press in here. Okay, and disconnect the wiring harness for the throttle body. From that point on, okay, you have one vacuum hose right here that will need to be removed as well. And this one guys, okay, I disconnected it from the vacuum pump, okay, right here, and the brake line. That was the easiest thing for me. Okay, right here is the vacuum pump usually, okay, like that. So let me show you how you remove it. Okay, right here, you spread those on both, on this side, push up, do the same on the other side, then pull it out. Right here you have one hose for the brake booster. I disconnected this one, so it will just stay on the throttle body now. What else we need to do now guys? Okay, things are a little bit hidden now. Right here, okay, we have that bracket that holds the throttle body. So this one, guys, okay, we have, okay, let me see. No, this one is not holding it. Perfect. We have only one bracket on the back holding. And this bracket, guys, okay, it's right here. This is the bracket I cannot show you with the camera without removing the engine. And it goes to about right here. Okay, and looks like it's a 13mm socket, so let me see that quick. Okay, I will attempt, okay, to remove that hose now and that bracket, and we'll see if we can get it loose. So I'll get a 10mm socket now, guys. Okay, right here. Perfect. Now you cannot just pull it out. So what I'm going to attempt to do, I'll attempt to get that hose out, okay, so it's not in the way. Otherwise, okay, I won't be able to remove that bolt, I think. Let me see. I might be able to, but I don't want to break something. So this one looks like it's a 13mm. I'll get a socket quick. Okay, it will fit. Okay, this is it, guys. This is the bracket with the bolt. Now, what we need to do, we need to come right here, guys. Okay, so let's just stay like that. Now, I'll get a 10mm socket, deep socket, and we're going to remove one bolt here. It's actually a screw, guys, because it goes in a plastic intake manifold. And now, I will, guys, need to get Torx, okay, Torx bits, so we can remove two more. So as you can see, guys, this is the bit set, Torx bit set. You can find the link in the description of the video below. Really amazing, amazing tools, guys, for very cheap price. So let me see which one it is. Okay, it is Torx 30, T30, star looking bit right there. So I'm going to go ahead now. Remove the two screws here. One is on the back side, okay, right here. Okay, just almost getting it out. And one is right here. So if you know where things are, it's not bad, but without knowing where things are, things could get a little complicated. Perfect. Now I grab the throttle body, guys, and I pull it out. As you can see, the whole throttle body came out. If you need to purchase one, guys, we have the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.